No plate, no knife, no problem. Not for Michael Symon. This is steak stripped all the way down, but the flavors turned all the way up. Michael is taking a stick and leveling it up.
Pull up a chair and get ready for a good time with Michael Symon, Carla Hall, and Clinton Kelly. Let's get into it.
I am here with Michael Symon.
Oh my God, Carla, that was your best intro ever. It was compelling, and I was there for every syllable of it.
Oh my gosh.
And I was looking for my stick. I lost my stick.
Pencilly. And that is Clinton Kelly.
What's up?
Welcome to Chewed Up Bites, where we give you a lot of information in a beautiful snippet. Michael, tell us what you're making.
So I am making, it's a little fair food situation. I am making steak on a stick. So when I had just graduated from culinary school. I lived with all my buddies who were still in college.
Yeah.
And their weekend job was working at fairs for a friend of ours' brother doing steak on a stick. So this is the OG steak on a stick recipe from the actual fairs.
Oh, wow. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Awesome.
Yeah, they would literally sell thousands of these things on the weekend. I'm like, where are you guys going? Steak on a stick. Like, that was their weekend job.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, we've all been working together for so long. I don't think you've ever made steak on a stick.
I'm not a big fair goer. Like, all the weird fried stuff, but this to me feels a little more legit. So I have flank steak here. I'm gonna cut it against the grain. Now, chef me would cut this in like long, thin strips and then weave it.
And then, yeah.
Oh, right.
But the OG steak on a stick, they went against the grain.
Definitely against the grain.
And then they cut it into cubes, and then they marinated it, and then they grilled it. So I'm gonna go OG, just because I feel like we gotta give it the proper respect.
I just love that you're saying OG, because sometimes when Matthew and I are doing things, it could be anything. We could be playing a game, we could be watching something, I'm like, oh yeah, that's old school. It could be anything, like, I'm gonna go in the bathroom and, oh, that's old school.
Well, this is literally like 1989.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I guess which is sad to me that probably is OG now.
Yeah,
because
it's OG.
Wait, is there teriyaki in this?
There's soy and Worcestershire.
Oh, okay, all right.
Because I was gonna say,
as soon as you said 1989, I was like, is this during the teriyaki phase that the whole world went through?
Right, but it is but it's similar flavors.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna sing a Prince song or something.
Oh, no.
No.
So, do you think food is more fun when you have it on a stick?
It kind of is, isn't
Right?
it? Like, it really, really is. Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
I think so.
Do you?
Yeah, like chicken satay is more fun to eat than just
Yeah.
regular chicken.
Well, then we're gonna have so much fun right now, you guys. The fun is coming. So, look.
Corn dogs are a lot more
Corn
fun.
dogs.
Super easy. Garlic powder, onion powder, mustard powder, all about equal amounts.
Yep.
A little bit of paprika and chili flake.
Oh, nice.
I would do these on a grill. Typically, I have a grill pan ripping pretty good at like high heat. I'm gonna put in some Dijon.
Dijon? I love it already.
You might have said what cut of beef this is, and I
Flank.
wasn't listening. It's flank.
You weren't. I did.
Sorry. I was thinking, when we said meat on a stick, I was thinking about, isn't there a famous line about meat on a stick from a movie? I might Google it while we're all standing
Google
here.
it.
Go ahead. Continue with your
Look it
marinade.
up. Soy, Worcestershire, and olive oil.
Nice. When I was catering and somebody wanted to do appetizers, excuse me,
You're
I
getting
would
smoked
always
out, Carla.
I know, right? I'm standing here, I'm like, why am I choking? I'm standing here in front of the fire. I would always think about something that is in a cup, something on a stick, something that is like almost like a shrimp cocktail type thing. Like I would go through in my head like all the different things, and I would always have a couple things on a stick.
So, flank,
Yep.
marinade, overnight. Because the marinade's gonna help tenderize things and add a bunch of flavor. Now, if you notice, I didn't put any salt in here because there is soy and Worcestershire, which are both salty, but I will put a little salt on the skewers before they go on the grill. So you just toss it, cover it. You could actually put this in a Ziploc bag, stick it in the fridge overnight, you're good. I have some, like this was the ones that I had marinated, and then I just put them on a skewer, like so.
Clinton, did you find out your...
I did. It's from There's Something About Mary.
Oh.
The line is
one of the great
You know, I
movies.
don't think they have enough meat on sticks.
There you go.
There's something about Mary. I knew it was in there.
I don't
It
know
was
where
in
that
there.
was in the movie, but there was a lot of funny stuff in that movie.
That's a good one.
It
That's
is a good one. So I just hit this with, don't go crazy with the salt because the soy and Worcestershire in the marinade. Papa.
looks so
I'm
good.
so excited about this.
The
I
big
know,
flip.
I am too.
Like if you were just making a steak right now, I'd be like, oh, that's great. But now that you're
Put it
making
on a stick.
put it on a stick, and I am actually very excited.
It's fun food.
Yes.
I think that's how you feel like fun food. Also, you know, people don't have to touch your food. You like just hand the stick.
Right.
But you also brought up a good point too, though. Like the stick, you guys, the fun of the stick, you guys enjoy. But also, if you're not a stick person,
Yeah.
you don't want to stick it up. This marinade would be great on like a fillet, which is a cut of steak that has no flavor.
Yeah.
Like marinate a fillet in this, and it would have some flavor.
Right. Yes. Filet needs friends.
Fillet does
Filet
need friends.
needs friends.
You're,
Yeah,
you're the
that's-
one who said it.
I know
You're alive.
that's going to be that could be my T-shirt. Yeah, filet day just needs friends. That could be on my gravestone. Filet needed friends.
Looks good.
Have you ever had those little? Speaking of foods on a stick, they're Japanese, like little Jap. It's almost like pancake batter, and it's almost like little rounds of pancake batter on a stick.
Yes.
Have you ever had their? They're much more fun than eating a regular old pancake.
Yes.
So the answer to your question from before is food on a stick more fun? Is it better? Yes.
Yes.
That's the answer.
Well, look, I grew up with food on a stick. I mean, like souvlaki, like all those. There's a lot of Greek food on a stick.
Yes.
Like, you know what I mean? So,
Yes.
like, I grew up with a lot of meat on a stick, and I do find it very fun.
What are your thoughts about kebabs, or not kebabs necessarily, but skewers of meat, veg, meat, veg, meat, veg?
Stupid.
Oh my God!
I agree
yes,
with you. Yes,
right?
thank you.
You grill the veg or you grill the meat
Yes.
on the stick. You don't need them combined on the
Correct.
stick. The veg cooks quicker than the meat. The
Yes.
meat
Correct.
Cooks, it's just
You always get soggy veg.
so
You always get
stupid.
soggy veg, but whatever the meat next to that onion or a tomato or
Yeah.
the pepper,
Yeah.
it's always like soggy. Like
It's
never.
steamed. It's been steamed. You just steamed a steak because you
Yes.
put an onion next to it.
Yeah. So I think the fix there is all veggie kebabs,
Yes.
all meat kebabs, and then you just serve them. You use
Yeah.
shorter kebabs. serve
Everybody
them
gets
together.
one. What you get one meat, you get one veg.
Yes.
They don't need to be one
way I explain-
alternated.
the way
No
I-
alternating.
The way I explained it to someone once is, I'm like, if they don't all cook at the same temperature. No, I'm like, would you put chicken and beef on the same kebab?
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
Like, it's like you wouldn't do it.
wouldn't
like,
do it.
oh, it's adding flavor. I'm like, it's not adding flavor.
Not.
The
It's
marinade
not.
and stuff gets the flavor.
The marinade
Yeah.
gets the barbecue gives the flavor, not the piece of onion next to the steak.
You know what, too,
Thank
though?
you.
And as much as
I feel
and
validated.
again, this could be the Greek in me. As much as I love steak on a stick, what I really love too, like with souvlaki or these kind of things, is like you get a warm piece of pita, and it comes off the stick, and you're right in the pita, and then all the goodies in there. Ooh, that's fun.
Should I go see if they have any pita back?
And tzatziki and lettuce, and but it's just fun. Like this, pull it off.
Yes.
It's so fun.
But also, okay, let's talk about the temperature when you get meat on a stick. It's usually kind of well done.
Yeah, it's cooked all the way through. Like,
Yeah.
I'm gonna cook these closer to medium rare, medium.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not gonna cook them. But yeah, this is something that you can certainly cook all the way through. For like, some people, if you want to get people really a long conversation on your social,
Yeah.
like show them a rare steak, soft scrambled eggs, a sunny side up egg.
So true.
Like, people lose their mind.
They
and
do.
and you just look, I'm not the food police. This is how I like it. Eat it how you like it. Like when I post a steak and it's rare, it's because I'm eating it.
Right.
Like,
Yeah.
if you want it well, don't lecture me that I'm gonna die of some weird disease because I didn't cook my steak.
Right.
You just cook your steak
Yeah.
well.
Also, what is with the yucking of the yum? right?
Correct.
If somebody is so happy with the food that they just cooked or the food that they just ate, why you got to jump in and say, that doesn't look good to me. I wouldn't eat it like that. Who cares?
Yeah, we don't care.
We don't care.
We don't care, Blanche.
But it is so funny though. Eggs and
Eggs,
mid-rare
wow.
steak.
Oh, 100%.
Really get people rare or mid-rare steak. And like the perception of what is cooked, and it's just really funny. It's really
It's
funny.
really amazing how people are so. I mean, I know we're cooking steak right now, but like the egg thing.
Yeah.
People have such strong opinions about how their egg. This is why I hated being a waiter for breakfast, When you were waiting tables at breakfast, people would be like, I want my eggs firm, I want my bacon crispy, I want my toast pale, I want my coffee like this. I'd be like, oh my God, all this, I have to write down all this shit, and then you're gonna give me $1 because the check is $10.
What you want to just say is, just stay home.
Just stay home. Make your own
because,
damn.
like, I mean, if you're so particular, like, as a restaurateur, chef, whatever, like, if you're so particular exactly how you want something, the chance of me making you happy, almost zero. Like, that's why I hate doing like traditional dishes at restaurants. Like we've always done like eclectic interpretations of dishes. And when I do classics, it's a nightmare. Because like people are like, that's not how you make whatever.
Right.
Like the
translation there is, that's not how my mother made it.
Right. I don't know your mama.
I don't know your mama.
The hardest restaurant that I own is Angeline in
Atlantic City.
In Atlantic City at the Borgata, because it's an Italian-American restaurant in Jersey next to Philly. And so I'll look at something and people complain about it. I'm like, it's cooked absolutely perfect. But it's not perfect to them because they're used to, and that they have a very strong opinion on what Italian food should be. And it's not really what Italian food should be, it's what Italian food is to them.
Right. And that's okay. And we're not going to yuck your yum. Hey, real quick.
We'll make this fast, we promise.
If you're watching us on YouTube, hit that like button right now. Don't wait.
And subscribe. It's free. It costs you nothing. $0.
If you're on Spotify, follow the show. Apple Podcasts, follow. Anywhere you listen, follow.
We are the Chewed Up Show, part of All Chewed Up channel.
And we are everywhere, so if you found us,
subscribe. Tell your friends and family. It's free. There's no excuses.
Like, subscribe, follow.
Do it.
You may have noticed some of the boards and plates we're using. Those are all from Frontgate, including some from my very own collection.
They've got everything from outdoor furniture to decor to entertaining essentials, all made with quality, comfort, and style in mind.
And since most of it is designed in-house, you can't find their pieces anywhere else.
Frontgate, thanks for making our spread look so good.
For more information, go to frontgate.com.
Well, let me tell you the story. So speaking of, I don't know your mama. So I'm at the airport. This was recently. I'm at the airport, and this woman comes up to me, and she goes, oh my God, hi, I love your mom. So for me, when somebody says they love my mom, that is a cue. They don't know who I am. They think that I am Tracy Ellis Ross. Okay. So I said to the lady, do you think I'm Tracy? Do you think Diana Ross is my mom, and do you think I'm Tracy Ellis Ross? And she goes, oh, I'm so sorry. I said, well, I am a chef, and Tracy isn't. But yes, Tracy cooks. She's on these shows. She's on the shows on Food Network. I'm like, no.
Still me, that's me. They're like, man, Tracy's busy.
She said Tracy's a chef.
This is the best story.
That is hilarious.
And I said, okay.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
So she knew it was me, but even in meeting me, she still gave it the credit to Tracy.
Tracy Ross is busy. Do you remember when Howie Mandel was on the
Yes.
tour? And he's like, I got off a plane at the airport, and people asked me to take a picture, and I took a picture with them, and then they asked me what was my favorite recipe I make. And I'm like, oh my God. He's like, I don't cook. They're like, no, you're an Iron Chef. No, I'm not.
Oh my God. Wait, so you get Howard Mandel, you get Tracy Ellis Ross.
Yes.
I don't get mistaken for anybody
If you
else.
say like some like superhero guy, I'm gonna, you know who I get? I get Daniel Craig.
I have a picture.
I knew it was coming.
That's it, it's coming.
Oh,
This
I
is
don't.
it. Photos, hold on. Favorites, I
Take your steak
don't
up,
want
just
my meat on a stick.
Hold your,
I don't want my meat on a stick yet. Ooh, I want mine.
it's gonna be a little hot.
Ooh, yes.
Oh, hold on. Oh, shit. Where is this damn picture? I'm so bad at this.
I know it's gonna be good. I know this is gonna be good.
Oh my God, Michael, this is delicious.
Right? They were onto something in 1989.
All right, that's a dirty one.
How about Daniel Craig?
Oh.
I cannot believe this is happening.
I'm gonna explain it, Nick. Why do you always have to interrupt me? almost 20 years together and you still don't trust me, Nick.
I can't find it, but there's a picture of me and Daniel Craig's wax statue where we look alike.
Never happened. Okay. So you guys, here's what we are doing this week. We're doing our fan giveaway, fan of the week, fan of the day. We're gonna pick a name and then we are gonna send you a little video, just a personal video to you telling you how much we appreciate and love you. Oh no, I am now, see, this is why Nick doesn't trust me. This is what, Nick, you confused me. That is not what we're doing. Next week, son of a
Oh my God.
bitch. Next week, my show, Simply Simon's, is starting up.
Oh, yay!
God, it pressured me and I panicked. I suck.
So there will be no video.
There will be no
but there
video.
will be a t-shirt.
Oh, here it
More
is!
videos coming soon. So this is a t-shirt from the Simply Simon show. It's me, Liz, and Olivia in our front yard in Venice, grilling outside, cooking up some delicious stuff. And Nick made these very cute t-shirts with my giant dome. We're
I got a
giving
lot
away
to say.
3 of them.
That looks amazing. I want one of those t-shirts, number one. I'm not sure it even looks like you, but the front one definitely does.
Dude, it totally.
The front one does. The back one, I don't know. It's the same one? All right.
Yeah.
I want to make a bet with Clinton before, like, and we got to get going here, but I want to make, if Clinton loses the bet, he's got to get this tattooed somewhere on his body. All right.
The other thing I want to say is this meat on the stick, this is no lie. That was the best meat on a stick I've ever had.
All right, hold on.
At least beef on a stick.
Yeah.
And here's the picture of me next to Daniel Craig.
Okay.
Right? Come on.
I mean,
we look
yeah.
like brothers.
How old were you in that picture?
2018.
That is not 2018. You are a liar.
Which camera should get this? Look at this. Oh, don't look at it.
Way overhead. Getting it.
Do you see that? We're twinsies.
That was 20 years.
But what I love is that this is life size.
Nick sketched it.
Oh my God.
All right.
I want more
So
beef
the
on a
first
stick.
one is Terry from Los Angeles.
Terry!
Terry, you should come to the show when we're filming.
Terry with an IE, too.
The next one is Charles from New York.
Charles!
And the last one is Brian from Phoenix.
2 boys out of 3.
Huh? I'm
Yay.
very popular with the dudes.
Yeah, come
Well,
love
you
it.
guys, thank you so much. So this is a fun little childhood, not childhood, like college memory for me.
It's amazing.
And my best, Tim, who is one of our culinary producers here, he did the steak on the stick every weekend, so he had the secret recipe.
Great.
So this comes from the secret steak on the
work,
stick
Tim.
recipe. Nice work, Tim. We're gonna
Nice
continue
work.
to eat our steak.
All right, y'all.
Have a great one.
Have better bites the rest of the day.
Thanks for tuning in to Chewed Up. And thanks to our sponsors, Fresh Direct and Frontgate, for making this show possible. New episodes drop every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. To subscribe, snag recipes, and dig into all the extra fun, head to allchewedup.com. Or just click subscribe to Chewed Up Show on YouTube and wherever you get your podcasts. Now go and make a mess in your own kitchen.